guys, it's Sonia. Welcome back to my channel. It is, let's see, it's Wednesday. Hello, welcome to our Wednesday vlog. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday right here on our YouTube channel. We do extra tutorials, extra fun stuff behind the scenes here at the Junk Monkey. And so as of right now, real time, I am painting a shabby pumpkin right here. Is he looking all scary and kind of shabby? Not quite done just yet. When I get him completely finished, I will post a picture of him. But as you can tell, I'm kind of in my zone this morning, doing a little bit of my my artwork on canvas, on wood, that sort of thing, because when the motivation strikes you, you gotta keep going. So true story, I've been working the last few days here in this corner, working on some fun shabby art because I just felt inspired to do so. So, speaking of inspired to do so, Aloria is downstairs working hard on the two front windows of our shop. Let's go down and see what she's painting down there today because she's been inspired and I think she's gone bananas. Bananas, I tell ya. Okay, and I had to walk past these to get downstairs and I had to show you these as well. So, having so much fun. Just having fun with shabbiness and all its wonderfulness, right? These are not done yet, but you guys get a sneak peek. Pretty cool. Let's go out around the front. Woohoo! Do we have any mail today? Lots of flyers. I got Happy Mail, by the way. I need to open today on my live on Facebook. You guys have been sending me some awesome stuff. Put my sunglasses on. Guys, look, let's check in on Matt's mini mysterious pumpkin that has grown right here. Okay, so you guys know that we had dirt come in and get laid in the front of our shop, and we've been growing all kinds of weirdness like corn and carrots, all kinds of stuff. But anyway, and look what a great day it is today. Hello. Look how nice it is. Everybody's over on Sharon's deck enjoying some beautiful weather. The diamond has reopened up here. Traffic is as normal. They're still finishing off some stuff, and we are getting ready. When you watch this vlog, you might see some more barriers and stuff being put up because we start Fort Ligonier days here, and all the streets get closed off, and it becomes the one most amazing big old festival. So anyhow, this is what I want to show you. Aloria has gone bananas. Can you see her in there? Can you see her in there? I'm waving to her. Aloria! Can you see? I don't know. Look at her. She's intently painting bananas. Can you guys, do you see what's next to her? Oh my God, I love what she's doing right now. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, she's painted me Pickles over in the corner, and then I've got some polka dots going on right here. I'm loving the two windows that we are finally getting to paint. And thank you to Aloria. And look over here. It's Miss Pickles. I love her. Not Miss Pickles, Petunia. Which, you know what? I should tell you, like Petunia and Pickles, if you haven't met them, like this is gonna be story time today. Oh, can you tell I love polka dots? Look how gorgeous. I put just chalky style paint on these pots right here, drop the mums into them, and I love them. Painted my two big, oh look at these over here. Painted my also, pulled out the Christmas trees out of these guys. Let me see here. Painted them black. Can you see it? I can't even find my hand to be able to show you. There it is right here, and on the other side as well. So, and then of course, Matt's lovely barrel, his project. I could not tell you how many people have said to me, Sonia, will you sell this? No, this is Matt's work of art. This has to stay here and just look gorgeous, all right? And taunt everybody that comes by that wants to buy it. So I keep telling them people want to buy his art. So he did a great job here. Who saw that video, by the way? All right, okay. Sonia, Pickles, what is the deal? Woohoo, there she is at work, and the other window from the inside, doing these two big bay windows, which we have been thankful to have here in our storefront. True story, haven't had a chance to really do them justice, and so today is the day that, or this week is the week, right, to get them all in place. Look at this, guys. It's like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and it goes like, what, 3 deep? Holy moly! This is what happens behind the scenes when you go to junkmonkeypaint.com and you buy the wonderful paint. Then you get to support wonderful people. Hello, Adam and Kate. How are you guys doing? Look, tag team effort. Look at this, guys. Somebody is getting Happy Mail right now as we speak. Who's getting this Happy Mail? Kate, what's the name?
Kimberly.
Kimberly! Woohoo! Yay, Kimberly. So over here, excuse all of our mess as we get ready. Look how messy this is. True life, people. So right here we have Petunia. Right. You guys know Miss Petunia. And then she's on our milkshake milk paint. The powder pigment that you just basically mix up with water to create a beautiful milk paint. And then we have Mr. Pickles, okay? Mr. Pickles here. And so, yeah, so do you guys know, like, what is the relationship between Petunia and Pickles? In this vlog, we're gonna tell you the whole story. So I'm sitting here in the room that Miss Petunia here gets her picture put all over the labels that you see on our milk paint right here. You saw her, right? So take a up close look at her, all right? So she's got the tutus, she's got the brush in her tail, she's doing a handstand, and yes, she's holding a milkshake because our paint line in our milk paint form is called the milkshake, which means that when it's made, it should be the consistency of a milkshake, and then of course you can adjust from there whatever you like to paint with. But Miss Petunia, you see that little rosette in her hair? Dang, isn't she cute looking? So here's the deal though. Miss Petunia is totally spontaneous, okay? So Miss Petunia and Mr. Pickles and Petunia, they are brother and sister if you did not know. So some people are like, are they like a couple? What are they? They are a brother and sister. They are part of the same family, but I have you know that they should, much like, you know, as a mom, you know, or if you even have like fur pets, that everybody has their own personality, right? And so Petunia and Pickles have their own personality, and so they represent our two different paint lines. So Miss Petunia, much like she's doing a handstand, being all crazy, paintbrush in her tail, she is somebody who basically you just don't know what she's gonna do, okay? She cannot sit still on that chair. She will not keep her butt in that chair. In fact, she's so spontaneous that you don't know what she's going to do from day to day, okay? And so she acts up a little bit differently than Pickles. So Miss Petunia, dang, she is just like a wild woman, okay? She chips, she cracks, she falls off, she falls on the floor. Sometimes she can't keep her butt on that timeout chair that you put her into, and she goes all wild, okay? And then, of course, if you give her Chippy Hippie, that is like giving Miss Petunia candy, okay? Like sugar, all right? She goes even more crazier when you do that with Miss Petunia. But anytime that you want her to behave herself a little bit more, then you give her some of our extra bond, okay? And so when you give Miss Petunia some extra bond and you add it in with the Miss Petunia paint line, what happens is that she behaves herself a little bit more, and she's more likely to stick on things and behave herself a little bit better, okay? So when you're totally open to like whatever happens, let's just bring it on. And I love Chippy, and I love spontaneous, and I love one-of-a-kind furniture, and I love the fact that when it gives me that time-worn look that I never know when the chips and the cracks are where it's gonna show, you're gonna wanna hang out with Miss Petunia, okay? She is going to keep you happy, all right? Now, Pickles, on the other hand, he's a good little boy, okay? He does what he's told. So Pickles, and I don't have one of my cans of paint here next to me. Actually, let's go and hang out where Mr. Pickles lives, right next door here. So now we're over next door in my studio, and of course, this is my paint stash back here. You guys see me paint in this room, and so Pickles, right here, let's talk about him for a second, okay? So he is a good little boy, okay? He does what he's told. He stays put wherever you put him. So he's gonna be somebody that you're gonna wanna work with if you wanna have more control over what you're painting, okay? So if you say, Pickles, sit right there, and you brush him on, and he sticks to pretty much everything under the sun, unlike Miss Petunia, the more glossy your surface, the more shiny your surface, she will just slide right off, okay? So that's what she's gonna do. But Pickles, the brother, when you say sit right there, bud, he's gonna stay right there, okay? And then from there, you can kind of come in and you can do any other special effects that you wanna do in the area that he's gonna sit on. So whether it's glass, whether it's metal, whether it's wood or fake wood, it doesn't make a difference. Just like we're painting the front windows downstairs today with Pickles, right? He's helping out in that situation today because he's gonna stay on the window. He's not gonna fall off. Whereas Miss Petunia, she will be off those windows, could be on the floor, crawling around, doing I don't even know what, okay? So hopefully that helps you in your mind when you're choosing, should I use the chalky style paint and get Pickles' help, or should I go with the milk paint and get Petunia's help? In your mind, what are you up for, okay? Are you up for a visit from Pickles, who's gonna listen, or Miss Petunia that is totally gonna, like, you know, shake up your day and do it in a fun, sort of chippy, sort of unplanned, unpredictable goodness kind of way. So hopefully that helps you guys out today. All right, time for me to get back to some painting and creativity, and join me later today on our Facebook Live, and I'm going to be finishing up redoing the top of a tabletop. So if you are not following us over there, you need to, because there's so much goodness going down on Facebook. And don't forget to also follow me on Instagram, because in my daily Instagram stories, I am over there as well, talking about just different stuff. This morning I showed you that we ate bacon for breakfast. I think I showed you the turkeys on the way home the other day from work. I mean, you just have no idea what you're gonna find over there in my Instagram stories feed, and on Pinterest as well. So all the places, and so big thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel so you never miss another vlog upload like this. Hopefully you enjoyed that witchy sign that I uploaded yesterday. Don't make me flip my witch switch, okay? That's a warning. All right, thanks for being here today, guys. Did that help you today really understand the difference between Pickles and Miss Petunia? Because they are both amazing characters, and can't imagine my life without them. All right, comment below if you enjoy this vlog, and let me know if you invited Pickles or Petunia into your house yet. Talk to you guys again soon. Bye.